To find Rocket Money bill negotiation, start by understanding what Rocket Money is. Rocket Money is a financial platform that helps users manage their bills and negotiate lower rates with service providers. The bill negotiation feature is a key part of the platform, allowing users to potentially save money on their monthly bills. First, you need to sign up for a Rocket Money account. You can do this by visiting the Rocket Money website and following the registration process. Once you have an account, you can link your bills to the platform. This will allow Rocket Money to access your bill information and negotiate with your service providers on your behalf. To find the bill negotiation feature, log into your Rocket Money account and navigate to the dashboard. From there, you can view a list of your linked bills and select the ones you want to negotiate. Rocket Money will then contact your service providers to try to lower your rates. When using the bill negotiation feature, it is essential to understand how it works. Rocket Money uses a team of experts to negotiate with service providers, and they work on a success fee basis. This means that you only pay a fee if Rocket Money is able to successfully lower your bills. To get the most out of the bill negotiation feature, make sure to link all of your bills to the platform. This will give Rocket Money a complete view of your expenses and allow them to negotiate more effectively. You should also regularly review your bills and update your account information to ensure that Rocket Money has the most up-to-date information. By following these steps, you can find and use the Rocket Money bill negotiation feature to potentially save money on your monthly bills. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the platform and understand the fees associated with the bill negotiation feature. With Rocket Money, you can take control of your bills and start saving money today.